Welcome to the video again, guys. This week we're going to be testing out the QuickShots on the DJI Mini 2 drone. So let's get into it. So good morning, guys, and welcome to the video, and thank you for tuning in. In this week's video I'm going to be testing out the new DJI Mini 2 and showing the QuickShots feature on the drone. I'm going to be recording the screen of my drone, so what my drone is seeing as well, you guys will see. I'll put that down in the little bottom corner there, so you can see how easy it is to control and do these quick shots. So without further ado, let's get the drone up in the air and get it going. So
take off. The low point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
there we go, the drone's up in the air, so let's get it up to the point of interest. I have Boomerang. Anybody knows Boomerang here in Somerset is a lovely little old castle that's a bit ruined and will make lovely for drone footage. So let's just get clear of the car park. So the first quick shot on the screen here is a Dronie. Now what I have noticed, even though that I'm in 4K on my video setting, I have noticed that the default section on the quick shots are always 1080p, so I recommend just going in and changing that there, because obviously you want to be filming in 4K. So just change that. Other than that, it is as simple as going on to quick shots. So let's do the first one, which is a Dronie, and then you just drag your finger, you just drag the box, a green box, where you want it to start from. Let's get a little bit closer to the subject, and the Dronie will fly away as ascending, so it will actually fly away and go up at the same time. So it'll give you a countdown, and as you can see, it is doing it all automatically. I do not touch the controller one bit when it is doing these quick shots. It will get to the point of finish and then return to the same point where the drone left off. As you can see, it is now returning to the same point. And it is that easy to do. So the next one is a rocket, which I'll get a little bit of height on, and again, same thing, we'll go to 80 feet and we'll go to rocket. So in this one, the drone will head towards the subject and then get above it and go up with the camera facing down. So as you can see, it's climbing above the subject, and then it will go upwards. I do have all my camera settings at the minute on auto, so it is auto exposing. Obviously, if you were doing this for your own video, you would probably want to be using the manual settings. It's that easy, then the drone returns to where it needs to return to. Just like that. Absolutely fantastic. So let's just try and do one on an auto setting. on a manual setting, sorry. So as you can see, I've just adjusted mine into a manual setting. And the next one we're going to be doing is a circle. Now I need to come away a little bit because I know it's going to just come away a little bit like that, and a little bit of extra height for when I go up and over the trees the other side of the subject. I know this area very well, so I know exactly how high in that I can fly. That is very important to make sure what you're flying around, you make sure it's clear all the way around. So this one is the circle. So I've outlined the subject that I want is in the green box, and you select a direction that you wish to circle, and then press go.
2, 1.
And the drone will slowly creep round in a circle to your subject, keeping it at the same distance. Once again, the drone will return to the place that it's set off. The next one is a Helix, which will kind of do a circle as rising up in the sky, as extending. All the little, once you click on them, they all do tell you. So let's just go to around about 60 feet for this one. 60 feet, and we will go round this way. Once again, you draw your box around your subject. Just make this one nice and big like that. And you press
3,
start.
2, 1.
That looks absolutely lovely with that sun on the monument as well. The next one on the quick shot feature is Boomerang, I believe. So let the drone return to its place. And we have Boomerang. As you can see, you can press the question mark up in the top corner there, where you click on the thingy, and it will tell you what the aircraft will do. The aircraft will fly around the subject in an oval shape and an upward direction incline. So once again, you drag or tap where you want the drone to focus on. So I've dragged the green box around. Once you've got the green box and you've got the start button lit up, you're all good to go. In as simple as
3,
press start.
2, 1.
When doing these quick shots, if you ever need to take control of the aircraft because you're going to hit something or you come into some sort of trouble with it, you can press the red X here on the screen, or you can just grab the control sticks and control the drone that way. So there we have it, guys. The drone has returned home from his quick shots. So hope you enjoyed it, hope you liked it. Remember guys, like and subscribe, and a happy new year to you all. See you in the next one.